You want to gather your supplies. I have some plates that I found. I got different sizes of plates. So if you, I'm not going to do it today, but if you wanted to, you could stack them like this, the way I did with this one, right? And then your different cup sizes on these, you want them thicker. You don't want them super thin because they can bonk and break. You're gonna get your gumballs. I will link these for you. You can grab a huge set at Sam's Club, but they're the bigger gumballs, I think. I like the smaller ones, they settle in better. And then you want your Power Tac. Okay, first off, you have to make sure they are so clean and so dry. So if you're not sure if they're so dry, you can, that looks like a machete. This is my blow dryer. But you can come up with your blow dryer, and I'm telling you, best blow dryer ever. Yes, it's an investment. Mike got it for me for Christmas. It's the Dyson blow dryer. But my hair is thicker than, I have to get it thinned. That's why it's always like super layered, because they have to thin it so much because my ponytail takes forever to dry. And if I don't dry it, it looks like this. Anyway, this little thing is awesome. Okay, you can't even hear it. But you can like go in with your blow dryer and make sure these are uber dry, because you do not want any liquid in there whatsoever. So just make sure they're dry. We're gonna move all of these over. This is the baby plate to get you some practice to see how easy this is. So I got this cute little mug and this cute little plate, and look at it, even has fun little decorations on the top. It's just gonna be like this. And this is going to be a super cute, like a cup, like one mini cake holder kind of thing. You open up your gumballs. You pour them in as high as they will go, right? Like you want it to be pretty snug on the top, like as much as it'll go with this plate setting stable, and they don't really move. But look at, some of mine moved around, so I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I feel like that's pretty snug. Look how cute. Now, when you put on the glue, you want it to dry, so you're gonna turn it over, but you can't do that with the gumballs in it because they'll all fall out. So you're just gonna line it with your Power Tac. I'm gonna open it, let's come closer so you can see. I'm gonna try hard not to get it inside. I just want it on the rim, and I can add a little bit more on the rim when I turn it over, because I just don't want it to drip inside. So try hard to do that. Takes a steady hand, which I do not have. But this stuff is really thick, so it's not a drippy product, you know what I'm saying? And I love it. Oh shoot, I got a little too drippy. Oh well, no one will look that close, right? But it's pretty, can you see? It's pretty thick, so it goes on really well. Hands are kind of shaky. I'm hoping we won't notice. Okay, taking my plate. Do your best to center it as even as possible, but you can move it a little bit. Once it's like mounted, you can kind of fiddle. Okay, I got it in. Hold it for a second. I mean, it's a good adhesive, so it's like, I'm gonna turn it over, dry it this way. So what I'm gonna do, if your lines are not super cute, like mine, oh, it's not open. Let's do press and seal. I'm gonna get some on my finger. What the freak? Okay. Just gonna go around like this. Kind of clean it up a little bit, because my lines didn't look super good, okay? And if I'm worried about the seal, I can go back and add more. Woo-hoo. Okay, now it's gonna sit here and dry. You see that? See that cute little thing? So this will dry clear. I mean, you'll be able to see it a little bit. That's just what glue is like. But people won't notice. Look how simple that was. It's all that was. So I'm gonna spend the afternoon making a couple more, and I'll speed time it and show you later on this afternoon when I'm finished. But in the meantime, I will link the bubble gum where you can buy that glue. But I have to say, these are so cute.
You guys can see how easy this is. You're going to make sure that your ice cream cups and your cake plates are completely clean and dry. Then you're going to pour in any type of filler, gumballs, fabric, anything you can think of that you would want, or leave it blank. And then you're going to add on your glue, set the plate on top, make sure it's centered, let it dry for 24 hours. None of these will have air inside, so the bubble gums or any other treat that you add, they will not deteriorate because of the no air that's getting in. They are super fun. You can make them for so many different holidays, and I have kept mine for years and years and years. So I hope you enjoyed this cake plate tutorial. Let me know if you make some.